Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and today we're going to be talking about the Hermes Herbag 31. I'll be walking you through the pros and cons of the bag as well as my experience buying it. I initially wanted this bag back in 2019-2020 and tried to buy it in London, but they did not have any in stock. I then came back to New York City and reached out to the boutique on 5th Ave as well as the one in Americon Manhasset, and about a year later they finally had one in stock. This one is in the size 31 in gold hardware and black canvas. To start off with some of the pros, I think this is just an extremely gorgeous bag. I love the silhouette. It's very similar to the Kelly and priced at a very good price point for being an Hermes bag. It's also just an extremely spacious bag. I've been able to fit a Surface as well as a MacBook in here, a water bottle, a notebook. It goes on and on. You can fit so much in this bag. I also love that it comes with a separate pouch inside so you can put your wallet or anything that you don't want to roll around in the bag. And because it's mostly a canvas bag, I feel like it's super carefree and casual as well. It also comes with a top handle as well as a separate strap. And you may have noticed the strap on my current bag is extremely short. It's one I bought off of Etsy and I just traded it with my longer strap so that I can carry it on my shoulder. It's super customizable and you can remove the leather part and replace the strap with a metal chain if you wanted to. And here's a better look at the back of the bag. It has a zippered pocket on the back. Now diving into the cons of the bag, if you've been researching the Herbag, you probably already know the situation with opening and closing the bag. As you can see, I am closing the bag right now and there was definitely a learning curve when trying to do it for the first time. Although it is somewhat difficult to close, I don't actually wear it fully closed all the time. I also put things that I reach for the most in the zippered pocket on the back for easy access. Another con for me is how delicate the leather is. It's extremely prone to scratches, and the area where you're actually closing the bag is going to get damaged regardless of how much you baby your bag. Now let's take a closer look at the bag. This one comes with a clochette as well as a lock. I think it adds such a nice touch to the bag and is very quintessential Hermes. It is such a stunning bag and I just love this gold on the black leather and black canvas. Another way I like to spice up the bag or style the bag is to add a twilly to the top handle. It not only adds some character and color to the bag, but also protects the leather from the top handle. And here are a couple ways I like to style the bag. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe. And please let me know if you're interested in more handbag reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye guys.